Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. And when the device turns off, you'll then want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time to give it a couple of seconds to actually fully turn off. Because as you can see, once the screen turned off, there was still the little LED that was visible right there. Now I do want to point out this is only visible on camera, it's not visible in person, but just to kind of prove that the device takes a moment to fully turn off. Anyway, from here we're going to hold power button and volume down, and this will first boot us into bootloader or fast boot mode. With volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode visible in place of start, like so. So you can just press volume down twice and this will show up with recovery mode, and then confirm it using your power button. Next we will see Android with no command, so to get past that you'll want to hold your power button, and while holding it you'll press volume up once, like so. And as you can see, this takes us to recovery mode. In here we have a couple of options, which again we will navigate using volume buttons, either up or down, as you can see, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So the options here are things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page, enter fast boot mode, which takes us to the dedicated fast boot mode, unlike the bootloader / fast boot mode that we've seen after turning off the device. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, on system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So in any case, I'm going to stick with the first option, reboot system now, confirm it using power button, and like I mentioned before, this will now boot me back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.